Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make this slime. First we have the borax in here. A lot. Okay, let's start with by pouring glue. Go glue. Oh, good. It everywhere. Okay, now let's start mixing. The glue is the main part of the slime. It gets slimy with the borax. It gets hard. Okay, let's add this. No, I can't put it over here. Okay, you cannot see that. Okay, let's add in borax. And mix it. Okay. Okay, let's add a bit. We're gonna be uploading a video and we're gonna be uploading another video later on to make with Beyblades, Lego Beyblades. So figuring out something. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video and comment down below what I want to see next tomorrow. So yeah, let's go to slime. If y'all want us to do more slime videos, y'all can do that. Y'all add it in the comments. It's your decision. It's hard. The more borax you add, the little bit better it could get. And we're gonna be uploading a Mela's channel, right, Mela? We're gonna be doing that later. Right hand, left hand. Okay, let's add some. A lot. Okay, need to put more down. If you think that you need to put your hands in your hands in a little. When it gets harder, that's when y'all have to put your hand and put some borax. So Mela's gonna be grabbing the camera when I put my hand right, and also adding the borax. Hey guys. Okay. We have to erase the part, but I say here. Oh snap, guys! This is gooey. We're gonna add a little bit more. Borax. A lot. Okay. I think I put it. Oh no, it's dirty. Pick it up. I need to transform to slime. Okay, go into my hand. Go to my hand. I think I messed up on this, guys. But let's continue. More borax. A lot of borax. Wait, that's enough. Now we can use. Okay, now it's transforming to slime. So please get to move your feet while you're doing this. They could get some messy. Okay, get the spoon in. Okay, stop. Take it out. Put it back on. Put it back over there. More borax. Brian, just leave it. More borax. No. Hurry up. What? My hands feel bad. A lot. Oh. A lot of borax. You see that? You have to go wash your hands after this. It's okay. No, it's not. It's starting to pick up. You have to control it. Look at my hands, guys. Brian, how you feel?
Better than
Okay.
ever. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you that I had a star test today.
And
And
green
I
point,
know I got 100 because I did all of my strategies.
a green point and a mercury.
If I want to see us, I still go to the same school for 1 more year. I'm gonna be there for 2019 and maybe for 2020.
Let's go watch it.
No, I don't want to.
That's not good.
Yes, it is. It just has to say one hand. Go get water.
Yeah, who's gonna record it?
No, just
You want me to push stop?
No. Just go take the phone with you. You're gonna be like, wait.
Okay, guys, we are gonna be getting some more water. I forgot. What's
No,
this?
just water. Just add me some Absol.
We're gonna add some little bit of water to things. Okay, guys, we're gonna about to add in the water. Stop it for right. Okay, guys, we are gonna go. Let's go back. Oh, we're gonna add some more bullet to it.
Oh, a lot. Okay, thank you, finally. And can you get my leg? I got messed up.
No, this is not it. Right, this is glue.
Hurry up! Look at my hand.
I'm gonna do it. Am I recording?
Okay, but stop and look at me, look at me, look at me. And that will be it for this video. That's a glance. We're gonna finish making the slime. We're gonna start over because this slime messed up. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we forgot to add the shaving cream. Don't forget while you're using your spoon, you add shaving cream.
Y'all, if y'all want to make it fluffy slime, all y'all need is cherry cream, borax, and water to do it. But okay. And glue. Okay, that will be it for today's video.
Okay, let's see the video.
Peace.